Note that 30 minutes is half a degree, so we are trying to find tan 22.5 degree. It's the same as 45 by 2 degree. Now tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Multiply numerator and denominator with 2 cos theta. So we get 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 cos square theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is the same as sin 2 theta. Cos square theta can be rewritten as half brackets 1 plus cos 2 theta. So we express tan theta as sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Replace theta with 22 degree 30 minutes. Note that 2 times 22 degree 30 minutes is 45 degree. So tan 22 degree 30 minutes is sin 45 degree the whole divided by 1 plus cos 45 degree. Replace sin 45 degree with 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree with 1 by root 2. Simplify the fraction. The conjugate of the denominator is root 2 minus 1. So introduce the conjugate and apply the identity for a plus b into a minus b.